with a Twitter handle soon. So yeah, I'll let you guys know. This machine, it's for loosening tight muscles. Yeah, I didn't do anything today. I just went and ran on the treadmill because it's Monday, and yeah, just didn't have a lot of training this week. Thanks Hussein Ali for that. But yeah, are you in next college student athletes platform? I don't know what that is, but my school is part of the NCAA. Bro, don't answer comments. I have to answer comments. That's why I came on this live. Yeah. As long as you are respectful in my comments, I will answer you. But if you're not respectful, I'll have to ignore you. Yeah. But thank you to everyone that's been on my lives. Say my name, I'm in Mukono. Hello, Hussein. No, not NCAA Chicago. NCAA as in the general organization. My school is in Texas. No, I don't do lives. This is my first live, and I'm happy to be getting good feedback from you guys. Yeah. You look great. Thank you very much. Soon I will be, I think, when the season starts, I might start having merch with my name and my school's name and everything, so that whoever wants to support can get that, can buy that, or when the time is right. Yeah, but otherwise, right now, I'm just here. Yeah. Okay, hold on, let me see if I can have